We'll guide you through how to download the Realtek audio driver in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for the sound to properly function, you're going to go and need this. We're going to guide you through how you can do this step by step. Make sure these full guides, you know what you need to do to go and get it. So I'll just show you. If I press search at the bottom, then type in device manager, like so, you want to go and open this up. This is going to pop up with the different devices you've got here. What we're going to do is go and find audio inputs and outputs right at the top, and you can press the arrow to the left to expand it. You'll go and see here, I've got my Realtek audio here, so we can go and get the driver for it. So you may have done this before or may not, it doesn't matter as well. So you want to go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to go and be using Chrome, doesn't really matter. Now, what we're going to do is go and head to the Realtek website. I'm going to guide you through navigating it. It can be slightly confusing. So what you want to do is go and type in Realtek like so. We need to go and head to realtek.com. Here we are right at the top. So now we need to go and locate the drivers. To go about this, you need to go and head to the top left. There you're going to see Realtek and you're going to go and see the 3 lines. So then what you can do is come down here and you want to find downloads. This is where we can go and start getting the drivers. This will expand to more options: overview, communication network ICs, computer peripheral ICs, multimedia, and smart interconnect ICs. We're going to come to computer peripheral ICs. This will go and load, and you want to come at the top to product line, and we can choose a subcategory. So you want to go and click there, and you can choose PC audio codecs. This opens up, and then we can go and choose another product line. So press choose subcategory, and you want to select high definition audio codecs, like so. And now you're going to go and see, we're going to go for this one here. There are other options, but this is one I use. So what you can then do is come to the right and you see the option for software. What you want to do is go and click there. And we're going to be taken for downloads, and there are quite a few to go and choose from. And you can go and see the version to the right here as well. So nowadays, most systems are going to go and be 64-bit. You can go and confirm this though by pressing the Windows button at the bottom or search, and you can go and type in settings. Then you can go to the top left to find a setting and type in about your PC, or you can just type in about, it should go and appear. And you can then go and scroll down and you can come to system type, and you can go and see here, I've got a 64-bit operating system. So you can check that there. If yours is 32-bit, of course, get that, but most computers now are going to be 64-bit. And this is what we're looking for, the executable file. It doesn't actually mention Windows 11 here, but it's going to work. I used it before. And then you can come to the left here and press on this download button. You're going to be brought here, and make sure you agree the terms so you can read this through. They're general drivers for audio ICs. So what you can then do is go and press I accept to the above and press download this file. Now we need to go and enter in the captcha here. So let me go and type that in. And then what we can do is go and press submit. And then it's going to go and start the download. It may get blocked. If it does, press it in the top right and you can press download unverified file. And now it's going to go and start. So what you can do is wait for this to go and complete. When it's finished, it's going to be in your file explorer in your download. So you can go and find it there. And then you can just install it like any other program. Double click on the exe and you can then go and install it. And you should then go and restart your computer afterwards. And that should be it. It should be then working. So hopefully you've now managed to go and download and then install it after you've done that. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.